All right, with so much vaccine news coming at us really every day lately, it can be hard to keep track of it all.
So we here at PTL figured we would ask a local health expert to help us sort it all out because there is a lot to figure out here. AHN's Chief Quality Officer, Dr. Brian Parker, joins us live. Dr. Parker, thank you so much for sharing some of your time. I know you're very busy.
Hey, good morning. Thanks for having me.
So, the first thing we just found out over the weekend, the Moderna vaccine was rolling out. It's going to be distributed in many cities here starting today. So it's great now that we have two options. What are you seeing now with this first phase at AHN?
So, we received Pfizer vaccine last week and started our vaccination process Thursday night and then in full force on Friday. And so we're obviously excited to be able to get it early in the distribution. Moderna started shipping its vaccines yesterday. And quite frankly, a lot of hospitals that will be receiving that vaccine initially are the ones that couldn't take the Pfizer vaccine because of the ultra cold storage requirements. So the Moderna is much easier to handle. It's much more like a typical vaccine with freezing and refrigeration storage requirements that are not as complicated in terms of the logistics.
And that's one of the things we wanted to ask you about, the differences between the two vaccines. Are they both 2 doses? You get an initial and then a follow-up? And the one, as you mentioned, needs to be kept at a really low temperature.
Correct. They're both similar in that they're both the same type of vaccine, which is an mRNA vaccine. And so one thing I want the folks, your viewers, to know, one of the things that's out there is if I get the vaccine, can I still get COVID-19 from getting the vaccine? And the answer is no, because the vaccine doesn't contain any virus. It only contains genetic material, the mRNA, to actually make the spike protein. So other than that, the differences are basically because of the way the two companies chose to make the vaccine. And so one is more stable at a very cold temperature for storage, which is the Pfizer, and the other is the Moderna vaccine, which doesn't require as significant the deep storage. And the other is that the vaccine requirement for Pfizer is a 21-day difference between first dose and second dose. And then for Moderna, it's 28 days. So little differences, but still the exact same type of vaccine. And the first 2 mRNA vaccines ever to be developed and released to the public.
Dr. Parker, I also want to ask you, because I think that, for most of us not on the front lines who are going to have to wait a little bit, we're going to hear more and more about potential side effects and some of the allergic reactions that we've been hearing about just in small quantities. But what are some of the side effects that you're seeing right now as this starts to roll out?
So the side effects are pretty common for after getting vaccination. Folks are going to report soreness at the site of injection, headache, maybe some fatigue, some muscle soreness, maybe a low-grade fever. It sounds like both for Pfizer and Moderna in their clinical trials, most of those symptoms resolved within 1 to 2 days. And they were more common after the second dose, not the first dose.
We know that people who are high risk are going to get this first. Healthcare professionals will also get it first. Doctor, how long before we all end up getting this? What is the timetable looking like right now? And is there any reason anyone should not get this vaccine?
So in terms of the production for these manufacturers, with these first 2 coming to market and being distributed, a lot of it's going to be dependent upon whether or not they can keep the manufacturing schedules that they've basically said that they would be able to adhere to, at least in the first quarter of 2020 for the US. And so that means 100 million doses from both Pfizer and Moderna over the next 3 months, which is essentially 50 million for each one of those manufacturers, 50 million individuals to receive a vaccination.
Wow.
So that's really going to be in large part how soon we get through the priority folks to then get to the general population. I've heard folks say, hey, it's going to be sometime in early second quarter, which is April. And there's other folks that are saying expect it midsummer. My guess is it's going to be somewhere in the middle.
Okay. All right. Well, something to look forward to.
Yeah, it's
right?
all positive news.
It
It really is. Thank you, doctor, so much for spending time with us today.
Pleasure. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, some really important information from Dr. Parker there.
Yeah, and remember to keep watching for our Eye on Health series every week right here on PTL. It is with our partners, Highmark Blue Cross Blue Shield, together with Allegheny Health Network for your health. And one more message that we need to share with you right now from our friends at AHN, and it involves the coronavirus. If you've had the virus, AHN wants you to donate your plasma to help treat other patients. Now, all you have to do is contact the AHN CP donor team. Its number and the email address is listed on your screen right there. We also have a link on our PTL website. When you contact them, you will get your name and phone number as well.